How to change the language of your Discord account. So, hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can change your Discord language. So, in order to change your Discord language, all you need to do is simply click onto this user settings button right here at the bottom. And once you will do this, you will see you have entered the settings. Now, within the settings, you can simply scroll down, and once you will do this, you can see this option that says advanced, and above that you can also see the language and time. Click here, and from here you can see the set a language option. So from here simply click onto this option, and from here choose the language that you would like. So for example, let us say if I choose the Hindi language, you can see that the language has been successfully changed. Also, to revert, you can again click on it here, and then from here choose the language that you seem preferable. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.